Hello students, the diagram shows a part of a graph y is equal to a plus b sine x. We have to find the value of the constants a and b. So to respond that, we'll first look at this point. So that means if I'm writing y is equal to a plus b sine x. So at this point, the value of y is minus 2 and that is equal to, and the value of x is 0. So that is b sine of 0 degrees. So sine 0 is 0. So we clearly got the value of a as minus 2. That means my equation now becomes y minus 2 plus b sine x. So that's my equation now. Now, as we can see that this cutting of x-axis at the origin should have occurred 2 units above. So that means this graph is shifted 2 units down. So if I move this graph 2 units up over here, so this point will also be moving 2 units up and will be at 3. If this graph, I repeat myself, this point of intersection is at origin, so this will also move 2 units up here. Now once the graph is like that, so it will look something like this, like the original sine curve. So it will be like this. So here we can clearly get the amplitude, which is equals to b. So the value of b in that case equals to 3. So my equation is minus 2 plus 3 sine x. So that's the valid answer for this particular question. Thank you, students.